Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to manage your gigs on Fiverr. Maybe you want to pause and manage your Fiverr gigs, but you don't know how. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can manage your gigs on Fiverr. Check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Fiverr application. Once you open your Fiverr application, you will see these icons below. The home icon, email icon, list icon, and then your profile icon. On this tutorial, tap on this profile icon. And then in here, you'll see this manage gigs below my profile. Once you tap on my gigs, you'll see your gigs here. Tap on your gigs, and you'll see this pause button if you want this gig to pause. For example, I want this gig to pause, so I'll just tap on pause button. And in here, there's a prompt that, are you sure you want to pause this gig? And if you're sure, just simply tap on the pause button. There you go. If you wanted to know how to manage your gigs on Fiverr, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to manage your gigs on Fiverr, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.